Are you determined to attain riches? If so, this comprehensive video is a must-watch. Did you realize that 80% of your endeavors dictate your success? This underscores the significance of our actions, which are shaped by our decisions. To expedite your journey to prosperity, you must relinquish certain habits and adopt 10 pivotal practices outlined in this video. Commit to these strategies for a year, and you'll likely be grateful for the transformation. Let's delve into the discussion by first identifying 6 habits to abandon and 6 to embrace promptly. But before we proceed, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, a simple gesture that significantly aids our visibility on YouTube. And if you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing for more enriching content. Now let's dive in. Absolutely. Let's dive deeper into each of the points and make them more engaging. 1. Cease impulse buying. Picture this. You stroll into a store for one thing, and suddenly your basket is overflowing with items you never intended to buy. That's impulse buying in action, but wait. Before you swipe that card, let's talk strategy. It's all about crafting a financial blueprint, a roadmap that guides every dollar you spend. So grab your pen and paper and let's get strategic about your spending. 2. Avoid multitasking. Are you the master of multitasking? Juggling work, family, and side hustles like a pro? Well, hold on a minute, because here's the truth bomb. Multitasking might seem efficient, but it's actually a productivity killer. Imagine trying to pat your head, rub your belly, and solve a Rubik's Cube all at once. Yeah, it's not pretty. Let's simplify things and focus on one task at a time, shall we? 3. Reject settling for less. Raise your hand if you've ever settled for less than you deserve. Maybe it's that job offer with a paycheck that's just meh, or staying in relationships that drain your energy faster than a leaky faucet. Well, it's time to stop settling and start demanding what you're worth. Because guess what? You're a VIP, and it's about time you start treating yourself like one. 4. Choose your company wisely. They say birds of a feather flock together, and it's true. Your vibe attracts your tribe, so why not surround yourself with go-getters, dream chasers, and all-around awesome people? Because when you're in the company of greatness, you can't help but rise to the occasion. So let's ditch the Debbie Downers and make room for the movers and shakers. 5. Embrace perseverance. Life's like a roller coaster, full of ups, downs, and a few unexpected loops along the way. But here's the secret sauce: perseverance. When life throws you a curveball, don't duck and cover. Stand tall, chin up, and face it head-on, because every setback is just a setup for a comeback. So let's roll up our sleeves and show life who's boss. 6. Combat laziness. Lazy days are great, once in a while. But if Netflix marathons and snooze button battles are your daily routine, it's time for a wake-up call. Because here's the thing, dreams don't work unless you do. So let's trade the couch for a treadmill, the remote for a book, and turn those lazy days into hustle days. 7. Pursue knowledge. They say knowledge is power, but I say knowledge is the key to unlocking your wildest dreams. Whether you're devouring books, attending workshops, or binge-watching TED Talks, every nugget of wisdom brings you one step closer to greatness. So let's feed our brains, fuel our passions, and watch our dreams take flight. 8. Diversify investments. Ever heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, it's not just about eggs, it's about your financial future. By spreading your investments across different avenues, you're not just playing it safe, you're playing it smart. So let's diversify like pros, shall we? From stocks to real estate to that hot new cryptocurrency. Let's build a fortress around our finances. 9. Invest in education. Remember those days of cramming for exams and pulling all-nighters? Well, it's time to dust off those textbooks and dive back into the world of learning. Because education isn't just for classrooms, it's for life. So whether you're mastering a new skill, honing your craft, or simply expanding your horizons, let's embrace the power of knowledge and watch our potential soar. 10. Seek assistance. They say no man is an island, and guess what? They're right, because behind every success story is a team of cheerleaders, mentors, and partners in crime. So don't be afraid to reach out, ask for help, and let your tribe lift you higher. Because together we're unstoppable. There you have it. 10 steps to financial freedom wrapped up in a package of inspiration, motivation, and a sprinkle of sass. So what are you waiting for? Let's roll up our sleeves, chase those dreams, and make magic happen. In the grand journey towards financial empowerment and personal growth, we've explored 10 fundamental principles that serve as guiding stars in the constellation of success. These questions, though introspective in nature, hold the key to unlocking our fullest potential. For true wealth transcends monetary riches. It encompasses a richness of spirit, a wealth of experiences, and a legacy of impact that echoes through the ages. As we conclude this transformative journey together, let us not merely close the chapter, but rather embark on a new chapter filled with purpose, passion, and boundless possibilities. Let us commit to embodying the principles we've explored, infusing them into the fabric of our daily lives until they become second nature. And as we continue to walk this path of growth and self-discovery, let us do so hand in hand, lifting each other up and cheering each other on. For in unity there is strength, in collaboration there is growth, and in community there is abundance beyond measure. If you found value in our exploration today, if you felt a stirring within your soul, then I invite you to join our community of like-minded individuals on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to embark on a journey of continuous learning, inspiration, and empowerment. Together, let us rewrite the narrative of our lives, one chapter at a time. Thank you for accompanying me on this transformative voyage. Until we meet again, may your dreams be bold, your actions intentional, and your future filled with infinite possibilities.